Hello and welcome back if you've already watched some of my videos. I'm Anne Londez in Switzerland and I'm going to show you a little tip today about how to prepare your mandrels when they're new. So here we have a mandrel which is brand new and which has been covered with bead release without any pre-treatment. And what happens when you do that, when you put it in the flame, as you can see already on this mandrel, the bead release cracks right away. Okay, so I'll make a close-up here so you can see this. So you see the bead release has cracked all over. So why is that? It's because when the mandrels are tooled, they are oiled, and when you get them from the shop, the oil is usually still on them. And so if you cover them with bead release without getting rid of that oil, the oil will prevent the bead release from adhering to the mandrel, and when you put the mandrel in the flame, the oil will get vaporized beneath the bead release, and so it will make it crack. So you need to get rid of that bead release before you use new mandrels. Not of the bead release, sorry, of the oil. My favorite way to do this is very simple. It's just to burn the oil off in the flame. So prior to using the mandrels, I will put them in the flame, make sure I get the whole surface red hot, and so burn the oil off. Okay, so be careful, of course. Once you have done that, the mandrel will be very hot, so don't burn yourself. You can then put it in water to cool it off, dry it, and then your mandrel will be ready to be used. There are other methods to get rid of the oil, like scrubbing with soap and hot water, but I find this one to be faster. Thank you for watching this little tips and tricks video, and see you soon. Bye bye.